Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is a sponsored video from Annie's Crafts, and I guess I forgot last month's to show off. Each month, they send me a crochet kit, and I guess I must have forgotten last month. I'm not sure what happened. I guess Christmas and all that, but I do have two to show you guys. It's the Hook and Needle Kit Club. That's crochet and knit. So with this, or with these patterns that you get in this kit, you get a crochet pattern and a knit pattern. So let's take a look at it. Here is the packaging it comes in. I love their packagings. They're always so pretty. Let's take a look at this pattern. Ooh, Sundance Gansey Scarf. Oh, this is pretty. Let me set this to the side. And there's the crochet version right here. See, it says crochet. They're nice glossy. And this is the knit version. This is really pretty. I like this. Let's see, what else can I say about this? Well, it's glossy, the pattern's inside. Like I said, you get the crochet version and you get a knit version. So if you lose this, your pattern will still be in your account. And they have left and right-handed tutorials for you guys. So I think that is really cool. There it is again. Very, very nice. I like that. All right, so that's the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. And let's see. Oh, the yarn. Very nice. This color is more, I guess you could say, on the grayish side. There it is. They just about, as far as I know, always use Premier Anti-Peeling yarn, which you guys know is the best yarn, right? It's just the best yarn ever. Anti-peeling, light new, wash after wash, everyday worsted. 203 yards, 100% anti-peeling acrylic. This is 4 ounces. Yeah, and it's a medium full weight yarn. Very soft, yes, very wearable. I love this. I guess you can tell I really like Annie's Kit Clubs. And I always love their yarns. But more than that, I mean, that's huge. But more than that is I like the fact that my pattern is never lost. And if there's something that I'm not sure of that the pattern is telling me to do, I can go and watch the tutorial. Which I've had to do that sometimes on a few of their blankets. But yeah, that's all you got to do. All right, so that's one of the kits. So let's take a look at the second kit. Again, it's in that same packaging. So let's pull this out and see. Oh, this is pretty. This is very nice. The Gansey Beanie and Mittens. Wow. Okay, so here is the crochet version. Very nice. I like that. Let's see what the knit version looks like. So this is, I guess, the knitted gloves. And let's see what the knitted hat looks like. They call it mittens, I'm sorry. Those are mittens. Okay, so here's the knitted hat. Here it is. Very nice. Oh, and then I guess that's the top. Very nice. All right, let's see what the yarn looks like. Okay, so it's a different yarn this time. Look at that. It's the first time I've ever gotten one of their kits and it wasn't Premier. So let's just take a look at this yarn. Alrighty, folks. Oh, good. It's still nice and soft. It's called Cascade Yarns Anthem. Oh, and it's got some little musical notes. Look at that. Isn't that cute? At least the yarn feels like it's just about of the same quality. It says Cascade Yarns, distributor of fine yarn, Anthem. And let's see what we got here. 100% acrylic, 186 yards, machine wash, warm, tumble dry. They're from Seattle, Washington. Made in India. Natural pearl is this color. I'm pretty excited to use this yarn, try something new. Yeah, I like that. Very nice. So that's to make the hat and the mittens. Very nice. All right, I'll leave a link below. It is not an affiliate link or anything, but I'll leave a link below to get you guys in the right direction if you're interested in trying out their Hook and Needle Kit Club. All right, guys, how about I go ahead and read today's 365 daily devotional, and let's see what's in store for us today. Okay, the title of this is called Slap Happy. Go eat your food with gladness and drink your wine with a joyful heart, for God has already approved what you do. Ecclesiastes 9:7. Catherine was always a lot of fun. She lit up a room when she walked into it, and she had one of those personalities that made everyone around her feel good. She was sunshine to all who knew her, but there was a particular moment that all of her friends loved. They didn't come often, but when they did, they were something to behold. You see, when Catherine got really tired, she didn't become grouchy. She became slap happy. She would laugh until tears streamed down her face, and she couldn't catch her breath. Everyone laughed with her. They couldn't help themselves. Her laughter was contagious. The Bible says that a merry heart is like medicine to us. Maybe you can also help share that cheer and joy with others who need a hefty dose. Visit a shut-in or an elderly couple. Encourage someone who's going through a difficult time. Bring some sunshine into the life of a single mom. Those moments together will provide rest for the hearts and soul, and it will do the same for you. Why does laughter help you sleep better? How can a joyful spirit be contagious to others? Wow, I love that. Thank you guys for listening to that, and thank you guys for actually staying and watching this last part of my videos where I try to do a little daily devotional for you guys. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Like I said, I'll leave the links in the description box for these kits if you're interested in them. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.